ओके नाइस। तो बीच में कोई भी दिक्कत होती है आपको ऑडियो से रिलेटेड, तो आपको अपना ऑडियो स्विच ऑन करके फिर मुझे बताना पड़ेगा। चैट बॉक्स में आप वो चीज़ें डाल सकते हो जो बाद में मैं आपसे रिफ़र कर सकूँ। So this is a problem which we need to solve. This is a field vector, and given in a rectangular coordinate system, we need to convert this into a cylindrical coordinate system. So as we know, in a cylindrical coordinate system, we are having um, three coordinate axes. Let me make one. So this is x, this is y, and this is z. In cylindrical coordinate system, we define a vector row. Okay, so this vector row is in xy plane. Okay, so you can directly write your row has to be x square plus y square under root. Means this x component, here x component is 6, so 6 square, this one, and plus, so y is -7 ka whole square, that will be so you can solve this will come out to be rho. So this is your first coordinate of cylindrical coordinate system. Now you need to calculate this phi. What is this phi? So this is phi, the angle which this row makes with x. So we have already discussed that tan phi is y upon x. Tan phi is y upon x. So phi will come out to be tan inverse y is what? -7 Ahmad, switch on your mic. Ahmad, okay. So tan inverse, so phi is tan inverse -7 by 6. So you can solve this, okay, by using a scientific calculator. And z of this cylindrical coordinate system will be the z of xyz. So it will be 6. So this was a simple thing. So if you write our xyz coordinate system as to be 6 -7 6, then in cylindrical coordinate system the same vector could be written as this row, this 5 and 6. So rho and phi you can solve it from these two expressions. This is rho and this is phi. So this was the simple thing you need to do. But many of you could not attempt this question in your test. I see only confusion in all these things. You are a little bit confused. You need to resolve all those confusion, because this is the time to do it. Okay. So now the second question. So second question was this thing, that you were given a vector field, means all the x, y, z uh, uh, coordinates in the space has been defined. The field on all those points has been defined. So this is the expression how they will be related. Many of you did the right solution, but up to the half step. The remaining step you left out. So I will tell you what you left out. So you can see in this the vector is given in xyz coordinate system. So if I say to find uh, the vector field at 2, 3 and 5, what is this? This is x coordinate of the point, this is y coordinate, this is z coordinate. We want to evaluate the field on this point. Let us say this point has to be P. So what you can do, you can simply just put on the value of x and y in this expression, in this given expression, and then whatever the value you get, that will be the field on this point P. That will be the value of G on this point P. Okay. So one thing is clear, that this expression should be an explicit function of x, y and z. Means there cannot be any other variable. You just need to have x, y and z, nothing more. So if I ask you to convert this G into cylindrical coordinate system, if you if you want to know this G in cylindrical coordinate system, what is the benefit? Benefit is that if I give, you might be going to solve a problem which is more symmetric in cylindrical coordinate system. We will discuss this later. So if this is in cylindrical coordinate system, if this vector is converted to cylindrical coordinate system, then this should be having this type of expression. So what is this? This is the rho component of this field. This is the phi component of this field. This is z component of this field. Adding all these things will make your G. So if anybody is having a field in cylindrical coordinate system, and I ask that give me a point P at given point in cylindrical coordinate system. Let us say rho is 3, phi is 45 degree, and z is 4. Now all these expressions should be they should be in terms of rho, phi and z only. This should be an explicit function of rho, phi and z, so that we can directly put our values rho into it, phi into it and z into it. to get the resultant g at that point. So you need to convert all these variables x, y, z if it is there to row and file. Just see. So you are having this thing. So if we want to find 0, means row component of that field, I told you that we can always take a dot product with the unit vector a row. So this g we will put in xyz coordinate system. So here it is given as to be, the g is given as to be 2x plus y. So this is 2x plus y into ax, means unit vector ax, minus y into y minus 4x. So this is minus y minus 4x ay. This is it. So we can take the dot product with a row component. Okay, so it will be 2x plus y ax dot a row minus y minus 4x ay. Now we know that ax dot unit vector ax dot unit vector a row gives you cos phi. So this is 2x plus y plus phi cos phi minus y minus 4x into, so ay dot a row is sin phi. Now many of you have given me this solution that 0 component will be this, but see it is consisting of x variable, y variable and phi variable. So if anybody gives me row, phi and z, then I cannot put it here. So we have to convert your x and y in row and phi. So we know that x is row cos phi. What is your x? X is row cos phi and y is row sin phi. You can easily see this if you draw the rectangular, the cylindrical coordinate system. You can easily visualize this. So you have to put the value here. So this is 2 row cos phi plus row sin phi into cos phi minus row sin phi row sin phi minus 4 row cos phi into cos. Okay, so this is what you need to solve. Now you need to minimize this function by using a trigonometric identity. Similarly, you have to do for g phi to calculate the g phi. So what you will do, you will take the same vector and same this vector and take the dot product with A5. Okay, then solve the same expression and then you will get G5. Okay.
Sir, I have a very doubt.
uh, yes, just a minute.
Sir, that cos phi,
What cos
sin phi आएगा ना?
sin phi
sin
आएगा?
phi आना चाहिए ना सर, लास्ट में cos phi की जगह.
हाँ हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, हाँ हाँ,
हाँ.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, आप सही कह रहे हो। मैं चेंज कर देता हूँ इसको। गुड। सो पहली बार किसी ने मुझे टोका है क्लास में, तो इट इज़ गुड। मैं चाहता हूँ आप लोग टोको, आप लोग चीज़ें ऑब्जर्व करो, चीज़ें जैसे क्लास में करते हैं वैसे ही। तो यहाँ बिल्कुल यहाँ पे साइन फाई होगा, क्योंकि हमारे एक्सप्रेशन में जो है वहाँ पे साइन फाई था। यहाँ पे जिनको नहीं दिखा हो, तो यहाँ पे साइन फाई था, तो यहाँ पे भी हमें साइन फाई लेना है। तो गुड। तो इसी तरीके से हम आगे जी फाई के लिए भी कर सकते हैं, और जी जेड निकालना होगा तो जी जेड भी आराम से निकाल सकते हैं, जी को बस ए जेड से डॉट प्रोडक्ट लेके। तो ये चीज आपको करनी थी। अब ये देखिए, ये कितनी सिंपल सी चीज है, और यही चीज आपके एंड टर्म में आनी है, इससे ज्यादा नहीं आता है। आप देख सकते हो, स्कोर करना बहुत आसान है अगर आप चीजों को देख पा रहे हो। जितनी चीजें देखनी है, जो चीजें याद करनी होगी, वो मुझे चीजें आपको बताऊंगा ही। ये सब चीजें बहुत ही सिंपल चीजें। अगर ये चीज दिक्कत आ रही है तो आपको पूछने की जरूरत है। ठीक है, पूछिए, अपनी डाउट रेज कीजिए कि आपको हो सकता है कोऑर्डिनेट सिस्टम को विजुअलाइज करने में प्रॉब्लम आ रही हो। तो ऐसी अगर कोई दिक्कत है तो आप हमेशा पूछ सकते हो। मैं आपको और भी तरीके बताऊंगा कि आप और अच्छे से विजुअलाइज कर सको। ओके फाइन। सो this is unit 1. In unit 1 your curl gradients and all will be discussed later when we do that in the respective places where it will be needed. Now let us move on with unit 2. I will just take a few simple things from unit 2. Okay, fine. uh, Thank you from up to here. I will start a new recording for that.